Do you like bugs?
No.
You don't like bugs?
No.
So this is going to be interesting.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. 100 as soon as possible. Right. So today I'm with my niece and we're going to do her first bee inspection. So, are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's get you suited up then.
Yeah.
Ready? And just make sure that it's covered over here so you can't get any bees because they're sneaky. They will try and go up sometimes. Yeah, basically just having a good look and seeing how they're doing.
There we go.
That's it, so we can get that out of the way.
Wow. They've done well on that one.
We'll just take one of these out and give them a little bit of space. You'll see they've already put a little bit of honey in there. So once it gets to the right moisture content, they'll cap it over. You can store it forever then, really.
Yeah.
Do you want to pop that out the way?
Yeah.
You can see they're all like stuck together.
Yeah.
So we use the Hive tool and then you can just use it just to crack the glue. Do you want to have a go at lifting that one out?
Yeah.
So just be relaxed, nice and steady. So you can lift it up, you can bring it a little bit closer to you. They won't sting you. They're just relaxed. So that again, that's just capped honey.
Oh wow, they've capped quite a lot. That's
See
quite
that?
good to be honest.
That is nice. And we're just looking for the queen really.
Yeah.
Got some pollen in there. Now you've got yellow, got like a clear purpley colour.
Are we naming the queen yet?
We haven't named the queen yet.
No.
Why, what do you think we should name her?
Karen.
Karen?
Yeah.
Why Karen?
Because she likes to hide.
She likes to hide.
And then they should be called, like the team name should be the Syrup Squad because there's so much like honey.
Oh, there she is. So here's the queen.
Oh, there. I can see her.
You
wow.
see her?
Look there. If you can see there. Right there.
There she is. So she's got quite a nice dark blue spot, so she is quite easy to see.
She is quite hard though. I get what you're saying. It took a long time.
Yeah, I struggle to tell the difference, to be honest. Without her blue splodge on her, I would really struggle to see her.
Yeah, I think that would be hard because they all look the same.
Little twist with your fingers.
Oh my
That's it.
goodness.
And then back down again. And that's how you flip the frames over.
Wow, I've never done that before.
That was good.
That was good actually. Stay calm as well when they come next to you.
Yeah, just stay calm.
They
We've
won't
got our
harm
suits
you.
on, so hopefully they can't sting us.
Hopefully. Yeah.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
And just put it down nice and slowly, nice and gently. How did you find it?
That was really fun. Yeah, I think that was quite interesting as well, seeing like the pollen and the queen. Because I haven't seen the queen like close up because I haven't had the suit.
Yeah, I'm really impressed. You did really well.
Yeah.
High five.
Ow!
You looking forward to next week?
Yeah.
See you guys next week.
Bye.
See ya.